narrative of Footie Ramen and Dumplings. Those Throwkill, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Here's Amy. We're just walking into a Footie Ramen and Dumpling. There's the sign. Looks like they got a full house. Ah, what sets us apart? Here's what sets us apart. Look at this. What sets us apart? We layer aromatic flavors and textures to create naturally derived Unami from well-balanced, healthful ingredients. Noodles are handcrafted in-house, gently folded into our signature bowls. Selection of garnishes, the results are a light and refreshing ramen experience with a balance of depth and richness. The connecting passion is perfect. Like that. Ramen for everyone. All right, we'll let you know how this goes. Talk soon. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.